Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build effective communication skills with English Class 101 step by step clearly. Begin by setting clear communication goals for yourself. Identify the specific skills you want to improve, such as speaking, listening, or writing. Visit the English Class 101 website and create your account. Explore the available resources tailored to your goals. Choose a learning plan that suits your level, whether you are a beginner or advanced. Engage with audio and video lessons designed for real-life communication. Practice speaking by repeating phrases and sentences aloud. Utilize the interactive transcripts to enhance your listening comprehension. Take advantage of the vocabulary lists provided in each lesson. Incorporate flashcards to reinforce your memory of new words and phrases. Participate in the community forums to practice writing and get feedback from others. Schedule regular study sessions to maintain consistency in your learning. Use the mobile app to learn on the go, taking advantage of spare moments. Record yourself speaking to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Seek out opportunities to converse with native speakers through language exchanges or online chats. Regularly review and revisit past lessons to solidify your understanding. Set milestones to evaluate your progress every few weeks. Adjust your learning plan based on your growth and evolving communication needs. Stay patient and persistent as mastering communication skills takes time. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, to stay motivated. Remember, effective communication is a journey, not just a destination. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.